Here's how to create a prosperity bowl, inspired by the elements provided. Materials needed. 1. Large transparent bowl, a clear glass or plastic bowl. 2. Uncooked rice, to fill the bowl and symbolize abundance. 3. White eggs, representing purity and new beginnings. 4. Mandarin Orange, a symbol of prosperity and wealth. 5. Red envelopes with 168 pesos onside and Gipao, representing good fortune and blessings. 6. Gold coins, real or decorative, signifying wealth and success. 7. Rolled paper money scrolls, optional, but can symbolize well wishes or specific blessings. 8. Ribbon or gold accents, for decorative purposes. Steps to create the prosperity bowl. Step 1. Prepare the bowl. Choose a transparent bowl to allow visibility of all the elements, symbolizing openness and clarity. Clean and dry the bowl to ensure it looks pristine and attractive. Step 2. Add the rice base. Pour uncooked rice into the bowl to form a base. The rice signifies abundance and stability. Ensure the rice is level and evenly spread across the bottom of the bowl. Step 3. Arrange the eggs. Place the white eggs around the edge of the bowl, sitting upright in the rice. Space them evenly for a balanced and harmonious look. The eggs symbolize new life, growth, and possibilities. Step 4. Position the Mandarin Orange. Place a Mandarin Orange at the center of the bowl, resting on the rice. The vibrant orange color represents prosperity, luck, and happiness. Step 5. Insert the red envelopes. Tuck the red envelopes upright at the back of the bowl, standing against the edge. These envelopes are symbolic of blessings, wealth, and positive energy. Step 6. Add gold coins. Distribute gold coins, real or decorative, between the eggs. Ensure they are slightly visible, symbolizing wealth and financial success. Step 7. Place rolled paper money scrolls, 1,000 pesos. Roll small pieces of paper money and tie them with red or gold ribbon. These can symbolize wishes, prayers, or blessings. Position them around the bowl, interspersed with the eggs. Step 8. Add finishing touches. Adjust the placement of items for symmetry and balance. Add ribbons or gold accents around the rim of the bowl for an extra decorative touch. Final presentation. Place the prosperity bowl on a decorative cloth or table runner for added elegance. Position it in a prominent spot in your home or workspace, such as the living room or entrance, to invite positive energy. Tips for success. 1. Symbolism. Ensure every element is meaningful and intentional to amplify the energy of prosperity. 2. Aesthetic. Maintain balance and symmetry for an appealing look. 3. Refresh. Regularly replace perishable items, like the orange and eggs, to keep the arrangement fresh and vibrant. By following these steps, your prosperity bowl will not only look beautiful but also embody the symbolism of abundance, harmony, and good fortune. Happy New Year! Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.